Hey guys, quick removal of the front bumper. This is a 2008 Audi S5. I think it'll work for any year model around the same. So this one's just simple. It's 4 bolts here, or plastic clips. So you're gonna use a flathead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove those. Lift this shroud up. You don't have to. It might take a little bit of force. It's just on the clip. So move it up. Once you got that off. Mine was clipped here. Unplug that clip. T20 Torx. Remove that one. There's going to be one in the back here. Both sides. Remove this one. T20 Torx by back here. Remove this tall one back here. T20. Move that by. So 4 Torx. Once you got that off, the top's done. Remove the under tray. Mine under tray was already off, but I think it's like 6 T20 Torx. Just take off the plastic tray. And then from the side, you're gonna move your tires in. It'd be easier if you just had them off, but there's 2 plastic T20 Torx right there. So 1, 2. Once you get that off, this thing will come back. And then in there's gonna be 2 right there, those holes right there. Those are held on by 2 10mm bolts, so you'll need an extension. That's why you have to move the tire in. So remove those 2 bolts and those 2 holes. Remove the fog lights if you have them. And yeah, and then everything's disconnected. It's easy process, and then you're just gonna want to wiggle. It actually came out so easy, so I just wiggled it off, and it's gonna come out in one. So there you go. Easy. Now you can get down to the grill. I'm just gonna remove the grill, and I think it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like about 10 to 12 T20 Torx. So remove that, and I can start painting. So yeah, there you go. Thanks.